Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Finally, click on Text Correction and as you can see, all typing features are here. In order to manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!